Slingshot Yellow 2004 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actual mile truck, only 75,565 on this one. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. As we get a good look at the front fascia and the grille, as you can see, yellow paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots, there's a little touch up or maybe an imperfection here or there. I'll kind of try to point them out as we go around. It's probably tough for you to see. The paint's a very nice match that they did a little of the touch up with. One of those vehicles that, hey, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, the bed of it, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels, Goodyear radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Pointed out a little small one in the front right corner. You got a little kind of touch-ups of specks in that rock guard and that rear quarter. The running board shows a little bit of wear on it, but again, it's one of those, get in it, drive it, have some fun. Ebony leather interior, bucket seats, center console. We are going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. I will also show you the hardtop, how that functions and goes up and down. Now, you can see there's a few dingers. It looks like it might have had a little bit of some very light hail on that tonneau cover. It's kind of tough to get it to show up. A couple little marks there. And I tried to get those in the still pictures too, but the paint's so shiny, it's kind of tough to get it to show up. But if you look very close, you can find it, but you got to be looking awful close. And then a touch-up spot back here on the tailgate, but again, very nicely matched touch-up paint. Dual exhaust, and that is complete dual exhaust. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in the service department. Mentioned no shakes, drives out nicely, brakes straight. Brakes are 60% in the front, 40% in the rear. Mentioned the CD, and we'll get in there and check the radio too. CD player clicks, but it sounds like the radio and everything works. Typical powertrain seat vehicle that's driven with a few miles on it. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Now, if you like these SSRs, any of Chevy's specialty vehicles, little later model vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. There you can see that vehicle has a nice stance to it. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. All right, door panels, nice shape. Bose stereo system, as you can see, so the custom SSR floor mats. Power seat over here on the driver's side, heated seat, memory seating. And you can see leather's in nice shape, just the typical, just kind of natural wear you'll get from the leather hide as it wrinkles and wears naturally. If you've watched our videos before, I always say like a comfortable pair of leather shoes. Steering wheel controls for information center as well as stereo. Of course, tilt column and cruise control, so all your modern amenities nicely equipped. By the way, this one does, whoops, sorry about that one. By the way, this one does have the teak in the bed, so you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Show you the exact miles here in a second. There it is, 75,565.
Makes me laugh. Will you at least try a new television?
So again, stereo
Honestly,
working.
Probably not.
But it clicks a little bit at the beginning or what have you with that CD, something with the changer. but stereo does work. Good look at the dash, nice shape. Of course, power windows, power locks, and of course the power top. This one also will have power mirrors. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. Listen to this. There's a little rumble. All right, let me slip up to the front. This is going to take two hands because I'm going to need to prop the hood. So, one thing I always like to mention on these two, when you go to open this hood, do not lift on this Chevrolet trim piece. Lift over here on the metal part of the hood. It's a heavier hood, and those have been known to break the clips when you lift up on them and apply the pressure to raise the hood. So just want to make a note of that. Let me get it open, check out that engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner looking good. There it is, 5.3 liter. Plenty of power for this truck. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, automatic with overdrive transmission. Smooth running, looking good underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up so you can see how that functions. We'll check out the condition of it. I'll show you going back down, and then we'll get Jason to take it for a drive and show you how it goes down the road. And retractable hardtop is up, functions as it should, as you can see. So tinted side glass, of course, matching yellow panels. Rear window also tinted. And I will show you the function of it going back into the storage area too, so if you stick around, show you that. And of course, stick around to the very end of the video, and Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And passenger side glass also tinted, obviously. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Nice fit, latches as it should up front. Like I said, let me get the tripod set up. I'll show you that top function going back into the storage area. 2004 Chevrolet SSR. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So, first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today I'm taking you for a ride in a 2004 Chevrolet SSR in yellow with black interior. The sport truck with styling similar to the early 50s, say like 51, 52, 53 Chevrolet pickups. This truck sounds good. Plenty of acceleration. Smooth in every way. Smooth braking, acceleration, idle. These trucks are hard top convertibles, which means you just push a button and the top takes care of itself. Stereo working good. Comfortable leather bucket seats in this truck. This is an automatic with the shifter right on the center console. Power windows, of course. The power top switch also right here in the center. Very responsive with V8 power in such a small package. They're fun to drive. Again, braking nice and smooth. And you can hear that rumble just a little bit. Corners very well. These handle nice in the corners. Excellent sway bars. There's the kickdown, definitely working on that automatic transmission. It's sounding good. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.